Right, now that we understand the general flow of how the content is organized in subfolders, we're going to look at each subfolder, and I'm going to briefly explain what's available and how to operate it. So when you go to the dashboard here for Ancient China, you'll see the scope and sequence and the linked table of contents and all of the activities. We're going to look at introduction activity. And there's a couple different options here. The PDF would be the paper options. So let's look at the PDF first. Essentially, students are whetting their appetite with what they're going to learn about. So they're listing what they see, and they're making meaning by just explaining the details and then making an inference, conclusion, or a prediction. They review the big ideas again. And then if I were to do this on paper, I would print these resources and give them to the tables and or do a gallery walk situation. Students review geography, economy, achievements, government, social classes, and religion. And then they would write down the information in the graphic organizer, which is here. You can do a hybrid format that has both Google Ready and paper. So if you wanted to give them the resources in paper, but then you were thinking, I wanted them to do the graphic organizer with computers, they can certainly do that with this. That's an option. Or they can do it only on the computer. This activity or this option provides the graphic organizer embedded into the activity. So as they go to geography, they then are asked to list and describe and make inferences right in this activity. And then economy, so on and so forth. Again, I sometimes do this in pairs, sometimes in groups. And the one thing that I would be reluctant to is provide answers for the students. This is really for them to sort of preview the curriculum and what their appetite is to what they're going to be learning about. This exact same information, of course, is in our linked table of contents, and it is provided for China in number 4 here, the same information.